Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand washing machine and you're getting an E06 error on it. So what is this error and how can you get rid of it? The E06 error, the most likely cause of this is when the drum spins out of balance. And you might even have noticed before it came on that your machine was shaking or something like that. And so really the best remedy for this is to just open it and redistribute whatever's in there to make sure that the weight is balanced so that it can spin in a balanced manner. And you might even run into a situation where you're trying to wash like a rug or a carpet or something that, there's one thing and so there's a lot of weight on one side, and you might want to just add some other clothes and stuff like that, even or like a towel or something, to just kind of distribute the weight to get it spinning balanced. And if you get it spinning balanced, you should be able to get rid of this error. So if that's not it, like all of these things, there are sensors, and it can always be the actual sensor that detects the balance that could be off. If it's spinning balanced and this is happening, then it might be that. You're probably going to need to call a technician to work on that. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on and maybe get rid of the error. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.